friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a few ideas which you can use to decorate your cubicle if you're working or your study table if you're a student. So the first thing I would like to show you all is this one. This is very simple and easy to make coat, frame, whatever you can say. If you have a notice board type, you can just pin it there, or maybe you can just stick a ribbon or a thread here and hang it somewhere. So that is the idea. So first let us see how to make this one. After that we'll see the other ideas. So without wasting time, let's begin. This was the first idea you saw. The second idea is a pen stand or a table organizer, I can say. This is very simple to make and I have already uploaded a video of tutorial for this one. So do check out. If you have not watched it, you can click on the I button here and you can go and watch the video. The third and the last idea for today's video is a dream catcher. This I got it as a gift, but I have shown you all how to make a dream catcher in one of my videos. You can check it out here in the I button. So do check out these videos also, and I'll surely come up with more ideas for decorating a study table or office cubicle, you may say. And you can also let me know what you all want to see on my channel. What else, like what ideas you want to know. Do let me know in the comment section below. So that is it for today's video. Bye bye. Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.